how I made a MocGriddle. That is the first form cake cup. I believe it is the maple pancake, buttermilk pancake. So good. What I did is I mixed it up like it said on the container. I put it in my mini waffle machine because I don't have the mini pancake one. That is the Kinder's Butter Burger seasoning with the cream cheese. And I heated it up to soften it, and then I added it to it and mixed it together. Then I spread that mixture on both sides, or on one side of both waffle pieces. And then that is 2 eggs, turkey sausage, and a slice of cheddar cheese. Dude, it was bomb. I can't even tell you how good this is. It's a lot cheaper to do it at home, and it actually, to me, tastes better than the one from McDonald's.